you make cornflake, crumb, chicken and avocado wraps. And this is what you need: almonds, cornflakes, sugar, salt, sesame seeds, pepper and chili flakes. So now I'll show you what to do. Put the sugar and the salt in, almonds, sesame seeds, pepper, chili flakes, cornflakes, and then you're going to pulse it in your blender. 4 pulses I'm going to do. Then I'm going to set up my crumbing station. I need milk, egg, flour and my crumbs that I just made. I'm going to crumb my avocados that I've chopped in wedges first. Then I'll do the chicken the same. So you pop it in the flour first, and then the egg and milk mixture, and then the crumbs like I'm doing here. And then after I've crumbed everything, I'm going to fry the avocados first, and then I'll fry the chicken. Fry till golden, and you'll have all the ingredients to construct your own delicious wrap. So I hope you try out my recipe that I've got for my cornflake, crumb, chicken and avocado wraps. All the trimmings you need to make your own wrap. And just like that, it's all done and ready to eat. Delicious. Can't go without a video without seeing me eating the delicious morsel. Cheers, guys.